Waves upon waves, we mash it up. Pour more shots, fill up my cup. Ayia Napa, no sleeping tonight. Fantasy boat, we ride till light.
What is your favourite? What is your drink of choice that you have got this filled up on?
Tatted gal boss a wine, wheel and deal. Yacht life flexing, swarms in the mix. Big rhythm bounce, pull up for the pics. Man jumping off like action scenes. Energy higher than Red Bull dreams. Cyprus to UK, we make it connect. Boat party madness, never forget. Waves upon waves, we mash it up. Pour more shots, fill up my cup. Ayia Napa, no sleeping tonight. Fantasy boat, we ride till light.
Fantasy boat party. Have you got a ticket? If not, grab yourself a ticket and I'll see you there.
Feeling da 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 ba da da. Feeling da 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 ba da da. Feeling da 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 ba da da ba da. Getting da da da. Ooh ooh. Cool rockin' saying yeah. Getting da da da.
The boat party today, smashed it, absolutely massive. We had a few celebrities on there, they loved it. They said it was their best boat party ever in their life, ever.
What did Swarms say, bro?
Swans, he was one of them. He came up and he said he's been on boats in Spain, right? He's been in boats in Ibiza. He said this was the best boat party, fantasy boat.
How many people are on the boat today, bro?
Oh, hundreds on there, smashed it.